So today's topic is functions, and in this topic we will discuss about the what is function definition, basic terminology of function, and we will also discuss about the how many different functions are possible if we are given with two sets, right? So let's begin with a function. According to the definition, in mathematics, a function is a relation between sets that associates to every element of a first set exactly one element of the second set. So, according to the definition, a relation is called a function if every element of set A is participating with an element of set B only once. We can say that every element of set A is participating with an element of set B only once. So another definition of function is a relation f from a set A to set B is called a function if each element of A is mapped with a element on B. That means according to the definition, we are focusing on the element of set A. That means each element of set A is mapped or participated with an element on B only once. So if we are given with two sets A and B, then function is denoted like this. Function is denoted like this: f colon A tends to B, that f is a function from set A to set B. Now, we can say a function is a special kind of relation, where every element of set A participates with an element of set B. So this is the definition of function. Let us understand it with an example. So we are given with an example. We are having two sets A and B. A is having values 1, 2, 3 and B is having values A, B, C. So 1 is related to A and B is paired with A and 3 is paired with C. So this is the question is, this is a valid function? Yes, this is the valid function because every element of set A is participating with an element of set B. Okay. Now अब here you can see B is an element in set B. B एक ऐसा element है set B के अंदर जिसके साथ set A के element ने किसी ने भी participate नहीं किया है. So we can say this is valid function. Yes, we can say this is valid function because according to the definition we are focusing on the element of set A. Set A के दो element set B के एक element के साथ pair कर सकते हैं, but सेट ए का एक एलिमेंट सेट बी के दो एलिमेंट के साथ पेयर नहीं कर सकता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेफिनेशन, राइट? सो इफ वी ड्रॉ अ लाइन लाइक दिस to B, then this is not a valid function because element 2 of set A is participating twice, and according to the definition this is not correct because function says a relation is a valid function if every element of set A participates with an element of set B only once. That means every element or each element of set A is mapped with an element on set B. So this is not a valid function, right? Now let's take another example. We are having two sets. One is having value 1, 2, 3 and another set is having value alpha, beta and gamma. Now again question is, this is the valid set. This is a valid function. This is not valid function because suppose this is set A and this is set B, right? So in set A, element 3 is not participating with any element of set B. A के अंदर जो element 3 है वो set B के किसी भी element के साथ participate नहीं कर रहा है. That is why this is not a valid function. If we draw a line like this, then this is a valid function. क्यों? Because अब A के जितने भी एलिमेंट है उन सब ने B के एलिमेंट्स के साथ पेयर किया है ओनली वंस. 3 ने बीटा के साथ पेयर किया, बीटा के अलावा किसी भी एलिमेंट के साथ पेयर नहीं किया है, तो वी कैन से दिस इज अ वैलिड फंक्शन. Now, on the contrary, element 3 of set X is participating twice. So, according to the definition, this is not valid function because 3 is participating twice with an element of set B. 3 is participating with B and 3 is also participating with C. So, this is a valid relation, but this is not valid function because 3 is participating twice, or according to the definition, it is not correct. If we remove any one of line from here like this, then this is a valid function. We can say this is a valid function. Now, some basic terminology of function. If we are given with two sets A and B, or we can say f of A is equals to B, where A belongs to the A and B belongs to the set B, then A is the domain of F. Whatever the values are written in the set A is called the domain of A, domain of function, and B is the codomain of F, and whatever the values inside the set A, in the set A, are called the image, are called the pre-images, of B under function, and whatever the values are written in the set B is called the image of A under F. Here is a note. In general, B may have more than one pre-image. B may have more than one pre-image. That means B, सेट B का एलिमेंट है कोई B, वो रिलेशनशिप में आ सकता है सेट A के एक से एक से ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स के साथ, राइट? Like this, suppose we are having values A and B and we are having value 1, so A can pair with 1 and B can also pair with 1, like this. Clear? So let us understand it with an example. Here this is a set A and this is another set B, and this is called domain and this is called codomain, and A is an element of set A is called pre-image and B is an element of set B is called image, and it is noted by F function from set A to B, right? So whatever the value in the set A are called the domain and values in the set B are called the codomain. Now we will discuss function visualization. Again, this is domain, this is codomain, and this is the pre-image of B and this is the image of A, and here a term you can see range, a term range. Range, what is the range? We can say range is the subset of codomain, because जो भी एलिमेंट हम रिलेशन में कवर करेंगे वो एलिमेंट्स बी के वो एलिमेंट्स रेंज के अंदर आएंगे. like range of function is the subset of codomain. You can see in this diagram, this is the domain and this is the codomain, right? So, and we have paired with these 4 elements with these 3 elements, and rest 3 elements we are not paired with any element of these values. So now जो भी हमने relationship में values cover की है codomain की, that values are called range. Suppose we are having an set A and set B. In this set we are having value 1 2 3, and other set we are having value a b c. Then 1 को पेयर किया a के साथ, 2 को पेयर किया b के साथ, and 3 को पेयर किया b के साथ again. So this is valid function? Yes, because every element of A is participating with an element of set B. This is A and this is B, right? So now range, what this is the value of domain and these are the values of codomain. Range क्या होगा? जो values हमने relationship में cover किए हैं वो values हमारा range होगा. तो अगर इस function की range हम की बात करें तो range में क्या आएगा? A, B, right? And codomain में क्या आएगा? Codomain A, B, C. तो we can say range is the subset of codomain. अगर कोडोमेन की बात करें तो ये पूरा का पूरा कोडोमेन होगा और ये पूरा का पूरा डोमेन होगा, राइट? सो if symbolically we represent the range, so we can say range of function is equals to y such that y belongs to B and x comma y ordered pair x comma y belongs to the function. Means किसी भी फंक्शन की अगर रेंज निकालेंगे तो रेंज के अंदर वो वैल्यूज होंगी, वो सारी की सारी y वैल्यूज होंगी जो x के साथ रिलेशनशिप में आई है, जो x के साथ कहीं ना कहीं फंक्शन में रिलेशन या पेयर्ड की गई है, राइट? सो दिस इज अबाउट द रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन. नाउ how many different functions are possible if we are given with two sets? So here m elements are in set A and there are n element in set B. Then total number of functions, then number of functions possible from A to B. The answer is n to the power m. How? Suppose we are given with two sets. We are given with, just wait. Here, suppose we are given with two sets A and B like this, A and B. A is having element A, B and C. Another set having element 1 and 2. Now A के पास कितने choices है participate करने के लिए? 2 choices. Now again B के पास कितने choices है? 2 choices. Now again C के पास कितने choices है? 2 choices. Because C के पास, क्योंकि A ने suppose मान लो 1 के साथ पेयर कर लिया तो B भी तो 1 और 2 के साथ पेयर कर सकता है, ठीक है? ऐसा तो कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन तो नहीं है कि 1 केवल हम पेयर करवाएंगे केवल एक एलिमेंट के साथ, नहीं, केवल सेट A की एक वैल्यू पेयर करेगी एग्जैक्टली वंस विद एन एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट B. ऐसा कहीं नहीं लिखा है कि अगर मैं B को 1 से पेयर करूंगी तो ये वैलिड नहीं है. तो B के पास भी 2 चॉइसेस हैं एंड C के पास भी 2 चॉइसेस हैं. तो सपोज ये m एलिमेंट्स हैं, ये n एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? n क्रॉस n, राइट? और ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ चॉइसेस कितने एलिमेंट्स पर है? m पर. अगर हम इसको निकालेंगे तो कितना होगा? 2 की पावर 3, दैट इज 8. और अगर हम इसको समराइज करें तो क्या लिख सकते हैं? वी कैन राइट n to the power m. So total number of functions possible from set A to set B.